Hi, my name is Pseudo, and this is my program Interstellar Dice. So if you click here, takes you to the rules, and the rules are roll the cosmic dice and get a combination to score points. Now if you click here, it'll take you back to the menu where you can click the play button. Once you're playing, you can roll the dice and you click your dice to get a combo. If you accidentally select a dice that you don't want, you can click here to put it back or grab it again. Once you have a good dice that you like, you can click bank to bank your points and have them added to your total. Now the alien will roll, and it will pick what dice it wants and add them to its total. So we're going to keep on doing that, and I'll probably skip a little bit ahead in the video.
Right here. Yeah, okay. I just didn't know, like, because you know how, like, before, like, if you use the dot, and then this would automatically appear and stuff.
Okay, we can see here that the alien beat me, and we can click enter to end the game.